क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off?
क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? क्या मैं थोड़ा ले लूं?
Can I take a little bit?
अभी नहीं,
Not yet.
लेकिन अभी मुझे चाहिए था.
But I wanted it right now. बाद में मिलता हूँ.
I will catch you later. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है. I am not used to it.
मैं इंग्लिश बोलने में अच्छा नहीं हूँ.
I am not good at speaking English. क्या तुम देर से इंतजार कर रहे हो?
Have you been waiting for long?
Where you have the last one? Mama, I'm playing in the garden with my friends. Have you prepared a test? Oh no, I just forget. I had a test tomorrow. What will I do? There is no time left. I have always asked to do things on time. This time, not for play. This time is study. I'm sorry, Mom. Be careful next time. Okay, I will. Where have you been at last 2 hours?
Baba, I have been playing the ground with my friends.
Have you prepared your test?
Oh no, I just forgot I have a test tomorrow. What will I do? There is no time left.
I always ask you to do things on time. There is time for study and play.
I am sorry, Baba.
Next time. Because of next time.
Okay, I will. Samuel, have you been to the last hour?
Oh, Papa, I will play in the playground with my friends.
Will you prepare for your test?
Oh no, I just forgot I have a test tomorrow. What will we do now? There was no time left.
I have always asked you to do no time. There is a time for play and study.
Oh, okay, Papa.
Be careful next time.
Okay, I will.
Listen, my son, where have you for the last 2 hours?
Baba, I have been playing the playground with my friends.
Have you prepared your test?
Oh no, I did forget I had a test tomorrow. What will I do now? There is no time left.
I always asked you to do for things on time. Where is a time for play and a time for study?
Baba, I am sorry.
Be careful for next time.
Okay, I will.
Listen, my son, where have you been at last 2 hours?
Baba, I am playing in the garden for my friends.
Have you prepared your test?
Oh no, I just forget.
It's for the last 2 hours.
Mom, I am playing in the garden with my friends.
Have you prepared for the test? Oh no, I just forget I had a test tomorrow. What